This video from Casio Help, we're going to demonstrate how to perform a factory reset on the SR-S4000 register. So this procedure will remove all sales totals and all programming data, so should only be performed if you want to do a total factory reset. First things are to remove the memory protection batteries if you've got any loaded, and disconnect the machine from the mains. Then press and hold down journal feed and turn the key to the PGM position. Plug the machine back into the mains and release journal feed. You can now press subtotal once and type in the following code 13040. You then press subtotal and the machine will perform the initialization procedure. So as I said before, this will remove all totals, all counters, reset them back to zero. It'll also remove all programming, so this is as close as you can get to getting the machine back to how it was when you first took it out of the box. The procedure takes 45 to 60 seconds. When the initialization's happened, you get a receipt printout confirming, and you can now start programming the register or using or turn it off. For more information on using the SR-S4000 and other Casio cash registers, you can click on any of the video links that are appearing on screen. You can subscribe to this YouTube channel, or for full information you can visit casiohelp.co.uk. Thanks for watching.